Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Google Chrome. Many players want to explore the beautiful world of Teyvat without needing a high-end gaming computer or consuming dozens of gigabytes of storage. Cloud gaming offers a fantastic solution, letting you stream the game directly through your web browser. This means you can enjoy the full experience on devices like your Chromebook or even a standard PC with Chrome installed. So, how does cloud gaming actually work? Essentially, the game runs on powerful computers located in data centers, not on your local device. These servers then stream the video feed of your gameplay directly to your Google Chrome browser. Your inputs, like keyboard presses or mouse clicks, are sent back to the server, creating a seamless interactive experience. It's like watching a high-definition video that you can control, all without needing to download the game itself. There are several excellent cloud gaming platforms where you can play Genshin Impact through Chrome. GeForce Now is a popular choice, offering a free tier with 1-hour play sessions and premium subscriptions for extended gameplay. Other services like EasyFun, GG, CloudMoon, and Now. GG also provide browser access. Additionally, HoYoverse offers its own official Genshin Impact cloud version, ensuring a direct and optimized experience for travelers. To get the best possible experience playing Genshin Impact on Chrome, a strong and stable internet connection is key. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second download speed. While Wi-Fi works, a wired Ethernet connection can dramatically reduce latency and provide a smoother experience. Most cloud platforms also allow for custom key mapping or offer robust controller support, letting you tailor your controls for optimal adventuring across Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.